All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to show you guys real quick what the trade-in value for your car is if you own a 2023 Tesla Model Y with 20,000 miles. So I just did a quick trade-in, and just to see how much my car is worth or how much Tesla is willing to take it in, and they're offering me $25,900. And right below that, you guys can see that it says receive up to $2,500 additional loyalty credit. Terms and condition apply. Right. So if anything, that gives up to $28,400 for a 2 years vehicle. When I bought it with like $60,000, not including all the tax and fees that come out to be like almost 70,000. Right? So it's crazy how the value of the car drops so much. And the process earlier when I tried to do this, it's actually a longer process. I have to click through a couple pages before I even get to this page. Before, when I hit on the trade value, now they ask for my color of the car and all kinds of stuff. Like it's just like a third party site. Well, before it was quick and simple, click, 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 and they should have my mileage in there too, and like the color of my car, the VIN number, everything should be there. But somehow, I don't know that this time it lacked all that, or it just want me to put all that number in there when it should have been already been there, right? But yeah, so looking right now, and if I would have buy like trading for my vehicle, I'm upside down like a huge time, right? Even though right now at Tesla they do give you they lower the rate if you were to do a lease on a Model 3, and also the Cybertruck as well too. So we can do that real quick. All right, we look it up here, Sawyer, because he did actually. I did look over, and his post is really nice, really neat. So you can see right here, Tesla has reduced the leasing pricing for the Cybertruck all-wheel drive and the Model 3 in the U.S. by 17%. That is huge. So if you guys are in the market for a Tesla, for leasing, to me, I think the way that it is Tesla or trying to make all the EVs more affordable. And so the sooner that the sooner we buy the car now, just like the more depreciation that we're gonna get hit. So, but I guess that's how it is because I got my car and I got hit big time, and with all kind of deduction now. But here, if you just want it, I think leasing a car would be better. But starting lease price like the all-wheel Cybertruck, $749 a month, dropping down from $899. That's a 17% decrease. And also the Model 3 long-range rear-wheel drive, it was $299 and now it's $249, and that's 17% decrease. And if you use my referral, you probably get saved a little bit more, $500 more. And here you can see the Model 3 long range. It used to be $400, now it's $349. The only one that stays the same is the performance model, which is still $600 a month, right? So yeah, like I said, the way that it is like hopefully Tesla going to be coming out with the new affordable models too, Model 2, so it'll be even cheaper. But the way it is now, when you buy a Tesla, you're pretty much just going to drive it until it breaks down all the way, because trading in is you're losing so much value, and who knows. But driving the EV, the Tesla, it's really fun. It's really nice. Technology is there. So don't get me wrong. If you're a tech person, you're buying a Tesla. Pretty much you're buying like a software company more than like a car company. The technology is there. It's great. So, but losing the value is just losing too much on it. So you don't expect to buy it and then drive it and sell it and to still keep the retail value of it, the car. You're gonna be dropping at least $20,000 easily. So yeah, but that's how much it is for my car now, with only 2,000 miles, they don't care about the red color 2,000. They care less about that, right? So if you're just gonna buy an EV, just buy the cheapest or included color. That way you get traded, you don't get knocked off like whatever you paid for. But yeah, so another good thing is if you follow Tesla with during the earning calls, they said that Elon's gonna upgrade all of the hardware 3 to the hardware 4 for free. And he even mentioned that it is very hard and very, very difficult and it's painful. But for those people that paid the 8,000 or the 10,000, the fully paid for the full self driving, they will get the upgrade for free, which is nice of them, right? And he mentioned that there's not too many people that pay for it, so that's a good thing that he said. But yeah, guys, other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about this video, feel free to leave in a comment below. But like I said, if you use my referral link or the code, you get an additional $500 off on your new purchase. And again, I'm not regretting on buying the car, but it's just the depreciation just make me kind of look at it like, wow. But I love my car and I love driving it. It's nice, and I think you guys will have the same experience as well too. All right, guys, be safe. Till next time.